Changing your phone number on YouTube Music can help you manage your account and notifications more effectively. Follow these steps to update your phone number. Step 1. Open YouTube Music app. Launch the YouTube Music app on your device. Ensure you are logged into the account for which you want to change the phone number. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Go to Account Information. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Account or Account Information. Tap on it to view your account details. Step 4. Update phone number. Find the section for your phone number. Tap on the current phone number listed and enter your new phone number. Follow any prompts to verify the new number, which may include receiving a verification code via SMS. Step 5. Save changes. Once you have entered and verified your new phone number, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Done button and tap it to finalize the update. After completing these steps, your phone number on YouTube Music will be successfully changed. If you encounter any issues, consider checking YouTube's help resources for further assistance.